confusion with the start, as Shalu Chaudhary of Delhi committed the foul, and she is not participating in that. Now she's back, as she got the green card there, so she's back in her lane. At one point of time I thought that she's not participating, though she got the green card just after the foul, but on the advice of her coach she is back into the lane number 6, where she belongs. Here they are: Kiran, Shalini, Subha, Shalu and Dandi in lane number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Five girls from 5 different states. Clean start this time, and no error committed by either of the girl. Dandi of Andhra Pradesh and Shalini of Kerala are doing very well there. You can see now that Shalini of Dandi of Andhra Pradesh is holding a bit of the edge, but given in the middle is Shalu Chaudhary of Delhi. Maybe something is wrong with her physical shape, and we will return to that later on. But here you can see that all the girls are doing very well there and stretching the limits of all the athletes. Shalini of Krishna of Kerala is there as well, but she is lagging behind, and from the outside you can see the pressure is emerging from Dandi of Andhra Pradesh. Dandi of Andhra Pradesh is looking in good speed and good touch there. From the middle you can see the pressure is also emerging from Subha Venkatesan of Tamil Nadu. But at the moment the leading the race is you can see is Kiran Pahal of Haryana. Kiran Pahal of Haryana is currently running at the first position, and just behind her is Shalini of Kerala just at the third position, and Kiran Pahal, and the battle is going on between two athletes, and finally in the end the girl who got the first position there is Subha Venkatesan of Tamil Nadu. Kiran Pahal was looking quite promising, but in the final 20 meters it was the athlete of Tamil Nadu who stretched her limits, and Subha Venkatesan got the first position in that heat. Here you can see started practice there. All the athletes, Shalini is there, still on the track, but from here onwards something went wrong with her, and that's why she given up, and it was all left to the 4 athletes to reach towards the finishing line. And here you can see that doing very well from the outside is from the inside is Kiran Pahal, and running alongside her is Shalini Krishna of Kerala. But now here Shalini is losing the pace, and from the outside you can see that Dandi Shri of Andhra Pradesh is also looking in list touch. But from here onwards, as we reach towards the final bend, it was looking increasingly clear that the girls from Haryana and Tamil Nadu are going to get the first 2 positions. It was all about them, and here you can see that Kiran Pahal, who was leading, is losing the speed a bit, and finally first position went to the athlete of Tamil Nadu, Subha Venkatesan, and here she is about 0.25 seconds ahead of the nearest challenger. Subha Venkatesan of Tamil Nadu got the first spot.